start? Hey guys, welcome back. First off, today is International Coffee Day. So, second, I'm back in my parents' house, which is not really a big deal because I'm like here at least once a week because we literally live in the same street. But this is the reason why I couldn't really film in this house. The reason why I'm here is I don't have an oven in my own home, so we're gonna use my parents' oven.
We're gonna make cookies!
Yeah! So it's officially October now, which is also my birth month. My birthday is this Saturday. We're just gonna make cookies to celebrate. Jaden's a big fan of YouTube. He's been wanting to make a video. I hope you guys enjoy this video because my past few videos have been like information overload. We're just gonna do something fun and chill today and
subscribe.
Let's go and make some cookies. By the way, these are the things that they use to replace me. Hey! So these are our ingredients. We have the mixer, salt, sugar, vanilla, our measuring cups are chocolate, baking soda. It's a really hot day today. See, I told you, this weather is just not consistent at all. They said it's gonna rain, and then it rains for weeks, and then it's super sunny and it's so hot. That's why I chose iced coffee today. We have to start with our sugars. I haven't baked in a long time. Well, I baked last week with my friend Rachel, but she did most of the work. Now we're gonna do most of the work. We needed to double this recipe that I have. 1 scoop and then put it in the bowl. So we need a cup and 3/4 of this. I used to bake a lot before because I was homeschooled. One time I remembered I made cookies and it was like really dry. So anyway, how's life? Now that it's October, I think a lot of people are gonna be talking about Halloween. Last year I did a Halloween-ish video. If you want to check that out, you can. This year I don't feel like doing any Halloween things because I feel like that's just not me. So I need 2 teaspoons of salt, which is a teaspoon. Pinch of bliss. They're not helping. It doesn't even say a spoonful of delight. It says a dash of kindness. Okay, never mind. I'll just do 4 scoops of these. Like I said, my birthday's on Saturday. And I am turning 22, for those who do not know. There you go. 4. So that's done. We have to wait for the butter to melt because the butter is not melted. I should have browned the butter. I think I can still do that. So we messed up. I'm browning the butter right now. We are just going to chop our chocolate bar. How much chocolate do we want?
I like the whole thing.
No, we can't do the whole thing, Jaden. Oh, it's pretty soft. Okay, this is really soft. We have to put it in the freezer again. So I guess we can't chop our chocolate now. What is this video coming to? Okay, so since I was talking to you guys, I think I burnt this butter, but we're still gonna make it work. So I'm just trying to let it cool down and hope and pray that it doesn't taste burnt. It's still butter. It's part of life. We make decisions. We forget about things or we put the temperatures too high and we burn things. Okay, if the cookies turn out bad, it's okay, I'll eat them. It's fine. This is fine. In life, we make mistakes, Jaden.
Yeah, we do.
We're gonna put it in the freezer so that'll cool fast. I think I really burnt the butter, but you know, let's try to work with it. Let's try. We're supposed to sift this, but we don't have a sifter. Wait, do we have a sifter? Okay, so we decided to throw the half burnt part of the butter and then we're gonna use like half of a new butter. I don't know where this is going and I don't know how the cookies will turn out. That's fine. I really don't know how this is gonna turn out.
First we go.
This is just not going as planned. We don't have a sifter. I burnt the butter. Everyone's going to judge me based on these cookies. Yeah, but you have to do it carefully. See? So I think the butter is almost ready and we're going to hand mix it. It's fine. It's not gonna taste bad. Wait, I don't know how these things work. We don't know if it's gonna go all over the place. So I am so scared. We are working at it. Okay, I think I got it. We're like not even halfway. 2 teaspoons. It's coming out very differently from the video. It is not the same. Okay. I really feel like this is not how it's supposed to look like, but whatever. It says here to fold in the flour mixture, not to overmix. I'll probably overmix it. We never know. I feel like it's gonna turn out so bad because I didn't use proper butter. We weren't able to sift the flour, and then I feel like I overmixed the stuff. While you were gone, we chopped up our chocolate. That is a lot of chocolate. That's just how we do it in this house. I feel like this is too much, but there's no such thing as too much chocolate. It's too much chocolate. It actually looks like cookie dough now, and we're gonna have to chill it. It doesn't look that bad. All right, so here's our cookie dough. We're gonna shape them. We're gonna place them in this thing. We don't have a cookie pan, and then we're gonna taste them later. So let's hope it's good. Okay, let's see if they're gonna bake and stick together. These are going in the oven right now. Okay, so we finally have a plate of cookies. Technically, the whole batch I'm making today is 22 cookies to celebrate my 22nd birthday. Yay! We're gonna see if it actually tastes good. And I'm not gonna wait till we finish baking all the cookies because we are running out of daylight. We need to end this video. Let's see how it is just by itself. No milk. They don't look that bad, right? Look at that. It's brown. It didn't burn under. That's a good sign. The chocolate's really melting. Let's get the winner shot. Yeah, I'll use yours. Let's get this shot. Is that a good sign? I don't know. Let's just try these cookies now. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh man, it's so good. It's not bad. It doesn't taste burnt. It's kind of chewy, but not a soft chewy. It's kind of crunchy in the edge. The middle seems to be fine. I think it's just a weird consistency, but overall this is really good. So I guess I didn't fail. We had some mishaps along the way, but I guess it turned out to be a fine cookie. Sometimes bad things happen, but it turns out to be okay in the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, it's really laid back, pretty chill. I think I burnt this butter. I am so scared. Oh. Ish. I can link the recipe if you guys want to try out this recipe for yourself. I think we're good. It's fine. It's great. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and click the notification bell. You can also follow me on Instagram. And if you like this video, like it. But if you don't, share it and maybe it'll help someone else. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!